The mode of entry I'm going to use is the Kroger Company. Kroger is an American retail company that was created in 1888 by Bernard Kroger. The first Kroger location was built in Cincinnati, Ohio. I chose this mode of entry because it is the United States' largest supermarket and is American owned. There are no Kroger grocery stores outside of the United States. If Kroger were to expand globally, their private label brands will be recognized more, and Kroger's profit will likely increase based on the United States earnings. Between 2018 and 2020, Kroger's earned revenue was between 121,852 and 122,662. Kroger's international strategy. Kroger's international strategy consists of using their own private brands to compete with other national brands so they will build customer loyalty. All groceries are produced within their three-tier marketing program that is only located in Midwestern and Southern United States. It seems as if Kroger is focusing on national expansion first. Hopefully, Kroger will choose to expand internationally soon. On August 14, 2018, Kroger partnered with Alibaba, creating an online sales website that will bring Kroger products to consumers in China for the first time. This partnership will allow Kroger to get their foot in the door with other international grocery stores for the first time. The goal is to expand and create new customers and markets without operating physical stores, starting with China. Kroger's chief digital officer believes Chinese consumers will love Kroger brands. Kroger's objectives for their expansion. An objective that helps Kroger's international strategy is e-commerce. E-commerce allows Kroger to quickly retrieve new customers and markets where there are no physical stores. Since expanding Kroger's brands internationally, Simple Truth became the second largest brand sold throughout Kroger. Kroger's team is currently working on creating a grocery retail of the future and focusing on digital technology. Some of Kroger's strengths. Some strengths of Kroger's include a highly skilled workforce, meaning Kroger is known for successful training and learning activities. The business expansion helped Kroger build a better revenue system. Kroger has a strong free cash flow. A strong free cash flow allows Kroger resources to expand and create new projects. Good returns and successful tracking records are always an important strength to develop when it comes to managing a successful business. Kroger has high successful go-to market strategies for their products. Lastly, Kroger has a successful tracking record when it comes to developing new products. This is also known as product innovation. Kroger's weaknesses. Kroger's financial planning is not done correctly and isn't as efficient as it should be. Even though Kroger is successful under sales, their positioning and selling proposition is not clearly understood. Kroger has a higher wear and tear rate and must spend a lot more to compete with other competitors on training and developing their employees. Some opportunities for Kroger are generating new customers from their online channel. In a few years, this online channel will know the customer better by applying their needs by using numerical data. Kroger's stable free cash flow. The more money Kroger has in the bank, the more Kroger can invest in new technology as well as other products. If the cost of transportation is depressed due to lower shipping prices, the cost of Kroger products sold could also be decreased. This is an opportunity for the company to boost their profitability or pass benefits to the market share. With the adoption of the new technology standard and government free trade agreement, Kroger has opportunity to enter the new market. Kroger's threats. Imitation of counterfeit and low quality products have been threatening Kroger's products since low income markets are emerging with other markets. Rising pay levels and increasing prices in China can cause some stress on Kroger's profitability. There are no longer a supply of modern products. When new technologies are created by competitors or market distributors could potentially be a threat to Kroger in the near future. Some foreign trade issues Kroger's will have to deal with could be the distance, different languages, difficulty communicating and transporting items, import and export restrictions as frequent market changes. It is difficult to locate quick and close trade contact from trader to trader. Due to there being different time zones throughout the globe, this lands the issue of time lag between placement of orders and receipts of goods from international countries. The further the distance, the higher it is to transport the goods and the greater the risk. Different languages are spoken and written throughout countries. A trader considering buying or selling goods internationally must master the foreign language or have someone with them that does know the language. Foreign trade policy producers' rules and regulations are different from country to country. Importers and exporters must face tariff restrictions. Tariff restrictions are out on exports of raw materials such as steel, or oil, corn, grain, or gasoline. Kroger's decision making process consists of four different memos. The first is being able to identify the key issue, problems, or opportunities leading to important decisions. Conduct a situation analysis like a SWOT analysis and a PEST table. Identify and correct alternatives such as pros and cons and a stakeholder impact table. Most importantly, communicate clearly and justify your opinion and provide solid actions. Data is the new war zone between grocery stores. Store managers can see how products are selling in any aisle by using apps that shows the prices and sales figures for the products scanned. The responsibilities of a human resource manager would be job analysis and staffing, organization and utilizing your time on the clock, develop professional workers, and design a reward system for employees who go above and beyond. Some skills a human resource manager it needs is to be able to solve problems effectively to benefit the company and employees. Kroger Kroger's human resource managers always communicate the right way to resolve any conflict between companies, employers, or customers. HR managers are also responsible for compliance and corporate policies, government regulations, and contractual obligations. Kroger CEO claims consumers are worried about the economy. Kroger CEO Rodney McMillan claims that Kroger does not see anything happening like a recession anytime soon, but with today's strong economy comes with an uncertainty about the future, mostly leading towards trade negotiations. Kroger's customers have the same outlook and feel good about the economy now, but are very much so worried about where the economy is headed. Kroger will maintain their normal daily duties and will be fueling their 900 million restock program. Kroger is in their second year of the 3-year program to convert Kroger into a growth company. Thank you, and that includes my presentation.